Hi, welcome to CATECH Tutorials. In this class, we are going to learn about this drawing. Okay, I'm starting with this L shape. Let's see. I'm selecting this plane. Okay, select profile. .38 length, and it is 55 height. It is 55 height. Okay, let's zoom it. And its length is 22. Okay, let's select this part and end with close part. Okay, this is a sketch, and we need this height. It is 19. Okay, from here to here it is 36. Here to here. Okay, right. This is a close look, and let's exit the workbench. Select the pad, and it is 68 divided by 2 because I'm selecting mirror extend preview. Okay, this is the part, and now select this plane. Let's see the drawing once. Here I'm going to draw the circle. Select the circle, and its radius is 16, and its height from center of the circle to this axis it is 38. Minus 16. There is a circle height. Let's select the project 3D element. Okay. Return this lower part. Now delete this line. Select a line or else undo. Okay. Trim on both sides. Now this loop is closer loop. Okay. Exit the workbench. Select the pad, reverse direction, up to plane. Okay. Preview. Okay. This is the part. Again, select this plane. Okay. Diameter 12. Select the circle again. Now select the circle. Before that, highlight this color. I am doing 3D projection. Let's select this circle. So here I am concentrating with radius 16. Okay, sorry, diameter 12 means radius is 6. This is the point I need. Here I am deleting this one. So exit workbench. Its depth is 16. Preview. Okay, so let's see once. The diameter 12 and 16 deep. So here we done, and here we have again 16 depth and 24 width, up to 38 depth. Okay, let's see how it's going to be done. Select this plane again. Okay, here I'm selecting the rectangular box. So I'm here doing symmetry with Z axis. Yes, here it's done, and its diameter is its length is 24 mm, and its height is 16 mm. Okay, this is the height. Once again 24 and 16. Okay. So it is 16 mm. Now here I am making coincidence. Yes, it's done. Let's see once. Here 24 width and 16 height up to 38 mm. Okay, 24, 16. Exit workbench, add, and it is 38 mm depth in reverse direction. Review. Okay, so here we done this front part except this chamfer. Sorry, fillet. Okay, and we have some other part here. This part thickness is 12 mm and width is 24. Okay, so again select this plane. Select again rectangular box. So constrain with already existing part, so it make easy to us. Yes, done. Then what is this thickness of this part? It is 12 mm. Okay, 12 mm. Done. Exit the workbench. Control pad, and its total length is 95 mm. 95 mm in reverse direction. Okay, preview. Okay, this is a part. And the chamfer, angle by angle. Answer this one. It is 0, and here it is the 0.1. Here it is length to 6 mm. So here it is total length is 12. Okay, this is the part. Let's see in drawing. See here to here it is 6 mm. From top to bottom 12. So I selected chamfer. I do it here in single step. Okay, and one more thing is there. Here its radius. So guys, this is the final part. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching CATTECH tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.